Well, hello there and welcome. I'm really glad you could join because this is going to be one heck of a journey. So behind me here, I got my BMW E46 320D, which has been turned into an exoskeleton, but last summer I did quite many mistakes. So I need to address those and hopefully get it running by next summer. All right, so very soon there will be very little evidence left of what was done previous summers. So I'm just gonna show you around what's there while it's there. So starting from the front, essentially all the tubing going from here to front is gonna get completely redesigned for a couple of reasons. Like, first of all, I don't like the design, and also it's just tied in such weird places. And also, really the possibility to add panels, like bolt-on panels to this, at least here, is really not ideal. So we'll fix that. And I'm not really sure yet, but it would be wonderful mimicking the outside of an E46 in tubing. Yeah, because it is an E46, so facelift version, I think. But we'll see about that. And I already removed the top of the roll cage, and the red tubing is gonna get there instead. And as this whole build, I've just been using, I don't know, not scrap metal, but repurposed things from other companies' bins. Yoink. So, but that part is from an S13 drift chassis. It just happened to fit there really well, so I'm just gonna use that. And for the floor, essentially everything from here and outside of that is gonna go, including this, and then just replace that with a couple of round tubing. So that will be the first fresh tubing on this whole car, because I didn't really have anything that long and straight. But apart from that, it's gonna be mostly freshening up the sheet metal and seeing what I can improve, and we'll find out along the way. Right, nice. Let's get shopping. I don't know, there's just something about shopping cars that just breathe life into you. It's really hard to explain, but it's just wonderful because I see, first of all, it's just like discovering how cars are built in certain ways, but then I just see opportunities. So yeah, man, obviously I'm gonna clean up all the extra things, and I didn't really chop it all the way in because I didn't really see how far I could go. I can go a little further, see on here still, and yeah. I mean, this is not really deeply planned. I just cut and go. And you should chop a little more than you should, and then I rebuild it as I want it anyway. But I'm a little pressed on time, so I'm gonna have to leave it like this and come back to it. So if you got any ideas, feel free to comment, because I am not a pro in this area. I just do, and I learn along the way. So I'll see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Next episode, we'll just chop more and eventually actually start building on some tubes onto it, because that is the only thing we really got to do in the near future to this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.